What's good, guys? You're most welcome back to the channel. I remain a guy, Mr. Kenny. Today I'm on a mission to buy for myself the new Turkish National Team jersey, and I don't know how much it costs, but let's go and find out from the shops right here in Chelsea Market. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's go. And there's this shop here, as you guys can see, the different clothes up here. There's Galatasaray, different ones, you understand? So I don't know whether they have Turkish National Team here. This one here, I don't know how much it costs. Merhaba abi. Nasılsın? Ben milli takımın forması istiyorum. Var mı?
Kimin forması abi? Milli takım.
Actually, there are a lot of clothes here. Galatasaray, different ones. Cristiano Ronaldo up there.
Yo,
You guys can see.
Osimhen.
Yeah, Victor Osimhen.
Ha.
Yeah.
Osimhen.
Nasılsınız? Milli takımın istiyorum. 2025. 24-25.
Masara Türkçen iyi ha.
Okay. Let me see. As you guys can see, a lot of shirts here. You understand? But I want Turkish National Team jersey. Milli takımın forması istiyorum.
Milli takım. Böyle.
2024-25.
Sana mı olacak?
Evet. And as you guys can see, there are different ones up here. And he's checking them for me.
İsimsiz var. Arka boş.
Orada bir silüet var, deniz şeyi görünüyor. Tam
Beyazın küçüğü yok.
Akan Çalhanoğlu ya da Arda Güler.
Arda Güler bu.
Arda Güler. O bunun gibi değil.
Aynı bedenden. Tamam. O ne?
Bu.
Yaka mı?
O yok mu?
Abi çok teşekkür ederim.
Yakala.
tamam mı?
Şurası mı?
This is the one.
Ya,
Tamam. O da 250 mi?
Hayır o da işleyeceğiz.
Son 250. He just told me that it's for 250 Turkish lira. So I think, and that's the last price. Of course, they are selling it at a wholesale price, and I don't know. I just have to get it like that. You understand? So, bu medium.
Large.
So just take a look at it, guys. I think it's very nice. It's nice on me. You understand? So I think I'm going with this. It's very nice. I like it. Love it, bro. So one day when I go to watch Turkish National Team playing, this is what I will be wearing, because I will go there and celebrate with them. You understand? So that's like, okay. I love it, guys. I'm going with this. I'm not leaving it. It's nice. I like it. I have to go with it. 250 Turkish lira. So guys, I'm done with it right now. I got for myself the new Turkish National Team jersey, and I love it so much. It's so nice. So now we are going to the market and explore the city of Gaziantep.
Osimhen aldın Osimhen. Memleket nere?
Osimhen. Yok.
Nere? Nijer.
Akan Çalhanoğlu.
Bir fotoğraf çekebilir miyiz?
Tamam, bir şey değil. Okay.
Bir fotoğraf.
Let's have a picture. Okay. Kolay gelsiniz. Görüşürüz. Kolay gelsiniz. Merhaba kardeşim. Okay guys, that's it. I got myself the national team jersey, and let's go and explore the market here. Let's go.